And the big story, what's happening in Uttarakhand? Well, heavy rain in parts of Uttarakhand has disrupted rescue operations. Close to 15,000 people are still stranded up in the hills, though many of them are now in army and ITBP camps. Overnight rain has caused landslides along some of the routes. In fact, at least two major landslides on a critical road link between an area called Srinagar and Rudraprayag in Uttarakhand are hampering the air evacuations. This road may even remain blocked for the next 24 hours. Now, hundreds of people are stuck in Harsil near Uttarkashi, as you can see on that map on your screen. Thousands are cut off in Badrinath. They're safe, but they're cut off. The Kedarnath region, which was seen as one of the most sensitive, has been cleared of all survivors. The Met Department, while forecasting heavy rains starting today, has said that there will be windows of opportunities during the day to conduct helicopter sorties. Officially, the state government has said the number of dead is around 680. But Uttarakhand's Disaster Management Minister Yashpal Arya told reporters on his return from an aerial survey the death toll could go up to 5,000. Many people are still unaccounted for. And the predictions do seem to be very serious indeed. This is the latest that has come from the Met Department, and you can see the area highlighted in orange there and in yellow, which says very severe and severe rainfall. Up there in the hills, you can see this is going to be a massive problem. This is exactly the kind of conditions that the authorities are going to have to deal with. It's heavy rainfall, about 7 to 12 centimeters, one or two places over Uttarakhand during the next 72 hours. And joining us on the phone line for more details on what's happening on the rescue operations, Brigadier Uma Maheshwar of the Central Command. Thank you so much, sir, for speaking with us on NDTV 24/7. We know that the conditions over the last 24 hours, the weather conditions have worsened and are expected to worsen further. What are the forces doing right now?
Yeah, just to assure all the viewers of NDTV, this Army wishes to say that the foot and vehicle-based evacuation is continuing in spite of the inclement weather conditions. Army is motivating people to use this contingency road move plan, which the Army has put in place. There are two axes, Badrinath and Harsil. In Badrinath, 281 people have been evacuated yesterday by road. Today, 95 people have already moved so far. 3 civilian and 2 army helicopters are evacuating people from Badrinath. Helicopter bridge has been created at Lamburger across Alaknanda in addition to the Burma bridge which the army has created, and shuttle services are continuing in addition to vehicle and foot evacuation. In the Harsil sector also, 122 people have moved by a combination of foot and vehicle from Maneri to Uttarkashi today. 137 people have been evacuated by air so far from Harsil. Foot and vehicle-based evacuation is continuing.
Right, Brigadier Maheshwar, can you also tell us, we've heard about landslides happening as well on some critical spaces. How are the forces dealing with this?
We wish to say that wherever the landslide occurs, once the rain stops, the army in location will make an alternate detour to ensure that there is no interruption to the road/foot evacuation.
Sir, one last question. We know at the moment that a lot of the people have been rescued but are being kept in camps. Will these people be a second priority? Are the priorities still to get the people who are still stranded outside the camps?
No, as of now, as per the information available to the army, in Kedarnath sector, the search operations are going on. As of now, no stranded person has been kept. Everyone has been evacuated from Gaurikund. In the Gangotri axis, everybody is concentrated at Harsil. And in Badrinath axis, there is no one stranded between Joshimath and Badrinath along the National Highway, along the Alaknanda River. People are concentrated at Badrinath.
Right, sir. Thank you so much for speaking with us on NDTV 24/7. That was Brigadier Uma Maheshwar of the Central Command telling us what's happening on the ground. How many people are stranded where, what is happening as far as rescue operations are concerned, and of course